Okay, hello everyone. We're going to get started. Welcome to this town hall meeting on our D4 community shuttle study. Thank you all for taking the time from your schedules to join us this evening. I want to take a moment to recognize Jonathan Goldberg from Supervisor Encario's office, who is joining us today. Thank you for your time. My name is John Paul Velez. I am a principal planner with the Transportation Authority, and I'm joined by my colleagues Rachel Hyatt and Brittany Chan from the Transportation Authority, as well as George Tin, who will be providing translation in Cantonese. Should I pause there, George?
你好，多謝各位今晚嚟參加第四區嘅社區接駁車嘅研究會議。剛才説話嗰位呢，就叫做Sean Paul Velez，佢就係呢個首席交通規劃師、技術政策技師同埋數據分析嘅。咁首先我哋要歡迎Jonathan Goldberg，佢係第四區嘅督察，今日亦都好榮幸佢參加我哋嘅會議。Okay. Sean, you want to go over the language?
To accept the Cantonese translation, you will see a globe in the toolbar at the bottom when the interpretation begins. So click on that globe icon and select Cantonese. And please also mute the original audio on that menu.
今次個會議呢係有提供英文同埋粵語嘅兩種語言嘅，請係使用呢個口譯嘅功能以粵語收聽會議。你哋而家呢就可以揀選中文，嗰啲呢就會入到嚟聽我中文噶啦。
Two discussion sections that we have scheduled in our program today.
咁如果各位已經入到嚟，應該你哋就只係聽到我哋廣東話嘅翻譯。咁我哋今日嘅會議即將開始。
Agenda for today. It includes a general overview of our project.
今日嘅議程呢，大概就係首先我哋概述下呢個接駁車嘅研究啦，然之後我哋嘅外展嘅第一階段嘅研究結果、服務嘅設計啦，同埋潛在嘅實施同埋融資嘅策略。咁最後呢，我哋就會有後續嘅步驟啦。喺會議結束之前呢，我哋會有一段時間俾我哋各位參加嘅人問問題嘅。咁希望各位呢將你哋嘅發言，即係你嘅麥克風呢，暫時關掉，等把問題呢就留到最後先至向我哋發問嚇。
I want to thank everyone for taking the time to be here this evening.
而家呢，我哋邀請呢個第四區嘅督察 Jonathan Goldberg 呢，佢就發言，同我哋講幾句説話。佢亦都好多謝各位參與今次嘅研究會議。
Great. Thank you, Jonathan.
Thank you.
好啦，跟住我哋翻嚟我哋嘅 presentation 嗰個嘅研究啦，先將嗰個基本嘅概述話俾你聽先。首先，我哋今日嘅主題當然就係按需要接駁車嘅概念嚇，就係話按住需要接駁嘅車咧，又稱做微交通嘅。呢個係一種冇固定時間表或者固定路線嘅交通服務。呢個咧就係顧客可以與其他嘅既定服務區域或者內朝相同方向行駛嘅顧客咧預約嘅。暫時你而家咧係例如喺佢哋 Bayview 嗰度嘅地區咧係有呢類咁樣嘅服務啦。咁通常咧會係服務一啲喺普通嘅路線冇服務嘅區域嗰度嘅。 咁啊，呢個研究接駁車嘅背景同埋目的係乜嘢呢？去到2021年嘅時候咧，第4區出行嘅研究建議採用咗按照需要接駁車嚟到滿足第4區嘅本地出行嘅需求。咁呢個就係我哋作為研究嘅背景原因。個目的當然係改善第4區嘅裏邊嘅交通選擇啦，減少私家車出行同埋為咗短途出行提供嘅高效率嘅自動駕駛方向啦。改善到商業走廊同埋其他主要目的嘅地方嘅交通，亦都提供咗公共交通整體使用率，包括咗俾老年人同埋殘疾人士使用。研究目的咧係根據本地需要同埋行業最實際嘅實踐設計同埋交通服務，根據公眾嘅意見制定咗潛在嘅實施策略啦。分析商業嘅案例例如收益成本同埋融資方面。外展係有分幾個階段嘅。第一階段咧就係喺2023年嘅秋天開始，我哋詢問咗按接需要接駁車服務嘅設計同埋特點，同埋社區優先嘅事項。當時咧，我哋喺社區調查發咗865份嘅問卷，收到回覆。喺社區領袖同埋進行焦點小組討論方面咧，我哋係外展到日落區嘅外展居民啦。Sunset 嘅 Mercantile 咧 ，Senior Power 咧，華美學校同埋日落區嘅文化社區嘅。我哋研究到有啲熱門嘅目的地受訪者最想去嘅目的地咧，通常都係本地嘅購物同埋餐飲嘅場所。商業走廊咧係非常有幫助嘅。老年嘅社區就會感謝亦都能夠輕鬆咁去到達商業走廊帶嚟嘅方便。受訪者亦都講話睇得出接駁車可以比前往商業區走廊更加快捷。亦都有人反映話，如果週末有接駁車到達Great Highway， 即是外邊海邊嗰條咧，就最好啦。嗰度有好多社區，將會幫助提高 Great Highway 嘅可及性。喺服務嘅特色方面咧，我哋服務時間咧準備考慮係接駁車首選嘅時間係朝頭早6點至到晚上9點。呢個就係工作日，即係星期一到星期五。週末咧就係考慮9點至到夜晚9點，呢個係週末嘅。等待同埋出行嘅時間，大概嘅受訪者就表示，理想嘅服務應該係大概10至20分鐘嘅等待時間，20至30分鐘嘅車出行時間。咁俾錢方面售價我哋考慮係$3嘅，就係同本地嘅 Muni 價錢差唔多，亦都最希望各位可以用到 Clipper Card， 即係嗰個支付嘅卡。社區方
Overall, what we saw through our survey is that there was great.
我哋嘅調查亦都收到咧喺社區佢哋嘅關注點喺邊度咧？喺第4區，按照接駁車嘅服務，佢嘅興趣嘅濃厚度咧，超過一半即係60%嘅受訪者，佢哋每星期都會使用接駁車至少一次。好樂意睇到接駁車能夠實施啦。佢哋對於第4區嚟講係一個好巨大嘅財富。老年人尤其是需要啦，佢哋通常會放喺第一位啦。其他嘅好多就係講到老年人好需要佢哋嘅服務。我喺呢個服務設計方面咧，服務區域同埋營運時間都係好重要嘅。 喺第4區咧，我哋全面會考慮到喺 Stone Town 嘅 Galleria Mall 啦商場，同埋舊金山州立大學嗰度附近嘅營運時間，或者會喺度重點。工作嘅服務嘅時間表咧，大概頭先講過就係喺平日嘅工作日，星期1到星期5咧係早上6點到夜晚10點，而週末係上晝9點至晚上9點，就係我考慮呢啲咁樣嘅時間。咁啊，至於點樣使用呢個服務嘅，我哋會考慮就係話點樣請求呢個即係用呢個行程咧。我哋會透過智能手機啦、應用嘅程式，會有多種語言嘅呼叫中心預約接駁車。一般就係需要等待大概10至20分鐘左右，你嘅接駁車就會嚟接你噶啦。咁啊，點樣上車呢？通常會係步行到最附近嘅十字路口，咁啊以便接駁車接你乘客。咁啊，亦都可以為老年人提供門口到門口嘅服務嘅。如果係年紀老邁嘅人呢，亦都可以係去到門口。咁至於出行嘅體驗方面呢，我哋會盡量考慮使用呢個 Clipboard Card， 即係嗰個或者用智能手機應用程式嚟支付車費。Clipboard Card 就係我哋嘅一個儲值卡啦。如果行程係大概15至25分鐘到，途中咧有可能會接載其他嘅乘客，或者係即係唔止一個乘客嘅。咁啊，到達目的地最終嘅目的地咧，就繼續轉乘其他嘅 Muni 服務啦。
Our estimation is that this service would be used by about 200 people per day.
呢個服務嘅優勢咧，就係我哋估計預計接載嘅量大概平日會有300個乘客左右。同目的地嘅交通方式相比咧，可以更加快捷抵達目的地。呢個係當然盡量減少對私家車嘅依賴啦，緩衝交通嘅擁擠同埋停車嘅需要。當然最重要又可以改善到老人同埋殘障人士佢哋出行嘅能力啦。咁亦都係幫助到呢個比較弱勢嘅社群。
So we arrive now at our first。
咁喺呢度咧，我哋而家仲係喺第1期嘅討論裏邊。呢種嘅服務，我哋有個問題想問社區，係呢種服務嘅設計係是否回應到社區嘅願望咧？你哋可以而家可以反映俾我哋聽。
To use the raise hand feature or drop any thoughts in the chat, or feel free to unmute and speak as well.
好啦，而家咧你可以利用我哋嘅翻譯我哋嘅 Zoom 會議功能裏邊嘅舉手功能嚇，你會睇到咧有一個心心嗰度叫 React， 咁咧你撳嗰個心心嗰度嘅 React 咧，就會有選擇叫做舉手。咁如果你選擇舉手，我哋就會聽到你嘅問題。咁而家你有一位 Margaret 就開始問問題。我首先聽聽佢問題，再向各位翻譯。
To have a more direct drop off for the seniors and people with disabilities. I'm thinking particularly those who are mobility challenged with either a wheelchair or a walker. And let's just say they're going to the medical building over at Stonestown.
Yeah, no. So I think maybe I didn't communicate that clearly, but for people with disabilities and for seniors, the service would operate door to door. So no, not to the nearest intersection.
Margaret 佢就問咧，因為有好多喺第4區嘅傷殘人士、殘疾人士，佢哋可能係唔可以行到去個十字路口嗰度，咁希望有門口到門口服務。咁阿 Sean 就反應就話俾你聽，其實頭先已經講過，如果係殘疾人士或者老人，我哋有門口到門口嘅服務嘅。
The cost for this project and how much it would cost to run this project versus like increasing frequency on the 18 or extending the 18 so it hits the Daly City BART, increasing frequency on the 29, or like the 7 ends at 10, having it end at midnight now, or bringing back the express service on that to sort of make sure that our transportation network is connected with the rest of the city, and then also using funds to improve the paratransit services that exist already so that they're dedicated services for people who need that door-to-door service, and hopefully make it more frequent than having to call a day in advance.
呢位 Alice 咧，佢就問到唔知可唔可能喺服務方面係提供埋去到 Daly City 嘅巴站有2架Muni 或者2架公車嘅號碼，就係18號同埋29號嗰類嘅服務可以做到接駁咧？亦都係話希望更加多啲嗰個時間上啊，亦都係緊密啲嘅服務。咁啊，Sean 就係話我哋
conversation are welcome as well。
咁我哋就暫時未有嗰邊去到 Daly City 嘅服務，但係我哋好歡迎你哋呢邊呢方面嘅意見嘅。我頭先見到有一位係姓黃㗎，係咪啊？
Sorry, I couldn't hear Brittany if you said something.
Lily Wong 係舉手問問題係嘛？
Hi, folks. My name is Lily. I'm with the Sunset Chinese Cultural District, and wanted to thank you for this presentation today. I think it's a long time coming that, you know, we want more mobility throughout the Sunset. Full transparency, I've also been to I've visited the Bayview and saw how their shuttle system works, which I thought was actually really cool for the Bayview to connect folks out to 3rd Street. For the Sunset, I do wonder first and foremost always language access. How are your apps running? You know, is it also translated? Are the drivers also bilingual? Like, what does all of that look like?
呢位黃女士咧，佢就問到一個問題，佢就話首先佢自己用過喺 Bayview 去到三街呢個接駁服務，覺得係好方便嘅。咁佢就係問到究竟喺第4區你哋發展呢一個接駁服務嘅時候，喺智能手機上面嘅 App， 佢有冇啲雙語嘅界面啦，有冇中文啊，或者有冇第二啲西班牙文嘅界面？咁佢話嗰啲司機亦都有冇雙語嘅司機啦，可以服務一啲唔係講英文或者係第二種語言嘅社區人士啦。
That I can continue my trip on Muni without having.
佢亦都問到收費方面係咪已經一次上車接駁車交咗費之後就唔需要去到 Muni 再俾多次錢咧？
The idea is that the app is probably going to be in English, and it will be designed in an accessible way, but it might still be a burden for some folks to actually use the app.
首先嗰個 app 嘅語言方面啦 ，John 嘅反應就係話我哋 app 暫時係走成英文先，就未考慮到用第二種語言嘅。
Languages, not only English, to make the service more accessible to a broader segment of the D4 community.
可能喺一啲外語嘅人士就可能要有啲挑戰啦，用呢個 app。
The design is not to have multilingual drivers, but it's an interesting point of feedback, and it's something that we can.
暫時佢哋冇特意地去請一啲雙語嘅司機，但係呢一個提議亦都好好，我哋會列入考慮同埋討論嘅環節裏邊。
Yes, the main form of payment is actually not through the app, but through just a regular Muni card. So all of the transfer fares that you use for general travel.
咁至於付款方面咧，佢嘅回應就係話因為呢一個係一個傳統式嘅公共交通付款方法，用 Clipper Card， 所以咧佢哋唔會喺 app 上面俾錢，就會係個別上車嘅時候俾錢。 咁就呢幾樣嘢就回應到阿黃女士嘅問題啦。
Anyone else has any questions, feel free to unmute or raise your hand or drop them in the
各位
chat.
如果有問題嘅話咧，盡量可以
I have another one. This
講
is
出
Margaret.
聲或者係 unmute，咁你就可以出聲講或者舉手都可以。
The questions. At least the accompanying photos that were with the presentation, it looks like they were using something that looks vaguely like a phone to record the Muni as clipper or whatever as people board. But is there also going to be an allowance that people could pay in cash if need be? Because we may have some people who do not use the clippers.
Margaret 亦都問一個問題，
Yeah,
就話
that's
喺
a
個
possibility.
喺個
For the time being,
圖片上邊咧
there's
講咗係
no,
用 crypto card
that
同
option
埋
is not
用
incorporated
手機
into
去俾
the
錢，
design.
但係佢問下可唔可以俾
Sometimes
現金？
having cash payments requires additional insurance and kind of puts other burdens on the service provision. But again, this is the opportunity to kind of have conversations with the community to see if that is a priority that folks want to see incorporated into future kind of design iterations for the service.
John 嘅回應就係話佢哋暫時因為一啲技術上嘅問題同埋一個安全性嘅問題咧，就暫時唔收現金嘅，因為佢哋要處理現金處理方面比較複雜。咁但係佢哋亦都保留呢一方面嘅需要。佢哋話睇下如果社區嘅反應，如果有好有必要一定要收現金嘅話咧，佢哋會重新考慮或者係要考慮設計收現金嘅複雜性可唔可行，有冇需要服務呢一類嘅社區人士。
In that kind of proactive way. That's a way of maybe solving for that gap a little bit, not in the whole, but at least a certain percentage.
I agree, it would be a small percentage, but I'm thinking of the seniors again, and they have a tendency to lose the card. And yet they still need
Margaret
to get to the
亦都好
doctor
同意
and
啊
at the
Sean 嘅
same
意思
time
就
to
話
get
可
the
能
blue card.
使用現
And
金
I'm
嘅
trying to think
嘅
of
群眾咧，
an
可能佔一個
alternative
搭車
for
嘅
that
比例係好少嘅數
situation
目，
which admittedly
所以可
would
能佢哋
be
要花好大嘅力勁或者係投資先至可以接受一啲少量使用現金嘅人士。Margaret 嘅反應就係話大部分嘅年長嘅senior 咧嘅年長人士咧嘅有機會唔見咗個張卡揾唔到，所以佢哋嚟講對現金咧係比較依賴嘅。
Schools and high schools. So it looks like within the geographic areas, you'll have at least Lincoln and Lowell within those areas, as well as SF State. So just wondering if you guys have considered or thought about the impact of like the students using it more frequently, because I can totally see students after school taking it home for a more direct route instead of going around, and just wondering like if you guys have any plans on that or what it looks like, because I know Bayview has just the 2 shuttles and it takes a little while. So assuming that like 2,000 kids get off of school at the same time and even like 10% or 1% of them decides to try to use this. I don't know if you guys have any impacts in the Bayview in the same way.
I can't speak to all the details of the implementation of the Bayview service.
黃女士亦都再提出另一點嘅疑問，就係話因為第4區裏邊有2間中學 Lincoln 同埋Lowell， 再加上一間就係州立大學 San Francisco State University。當學生如果佢哋選擇使用呢一個服務嘅時候，可唔可能造成一個好大嘅負擔呢？問下當局佢哋有冇考慮到增加到呢個服務，因為佢嘅經驗喺Bayview 嗰度咧，就係話一旦學生放學嘅時候咧，基本上係嗰個服務係不勝負荷嘅。
So
咁佢都問到究竟當局有點樣考慮或者安排呢一類咁樣嘅情況咧？咁所以就係話喺個別詳細嘅服務方面，我哋未考慮到要想服務一個放學嘅時間或者係繁忙嘅時間。
Could they get on by themselves, or is there a cap?
We haven't identified a specific age limit. But yeah.
至於喺選擇性嘅服務行年紀方面咧，暫時佢哋冇分別開俾老年、青年或者學生嘅類別嘅特別收費情況或者係服務時間對象。喺將來嘅時候咧，佢哋可以考慮，但係目前為止嘅考慮範圍裏面係冇考慮到呢個學生嘅高峰時嘅。
Well, I guess before we move on, I'm going to ask all of you to please type yes or no in the chat whether you feel that the service responds to community needs, the community needs that we identified through our outreach last year. Are they being represented in this service design that we've presented and different features that we've shared?
跟住落嚟喺呢個問答環節之後咧，我哋想各位俾一啲反應我哋，就係話喺我哋討論過程裏邊，呢個服務設計是否回應到社區嘅願望？我哋希望你哋喺呢個聊天室裏邊，即係裏邊個 chat 裏邊打俾我哋聽。如果你覺得呢一個服務係回應到社區嘅願望嘅咧，請你打 yes 或者你可以打是。就如果你話冇回應到你哋社區嘅話，你可以打 no 或者係否。咁希望你哋喺呢個呢個聊天室嘅 chat room 裏邊作俾一啲反應我哋。暫時我哋只係收到一位女士，就係 Margaret 俾我哋嘅反應。請為各位嘅參與者，你哋有冇可唔可以俾啲反應我哋咧？All
right, see another response. Well, feel free to continue answering as we move on.
有幾位亦都作出反應咗啦。
Our second section of the presentation.
有位黃女士，佢剛才發言嗰位就講咗話，對於對於唔係
Yes.
Oh, this is Albert Chatter. Sorry, I would just like to say yes. I couldn't quite get the chat working, so
no.
Count as a yes.
Thank you, Albert. That's helpful. I appreciate you taking the time. Okay, great. So yeah, so
Albert Chatter 亦都係講話贊成嘅。
So again,
好啦，我哋繼續落去。我哋繼續講潛在嘅實施同埋融資方面嘅策略啦。因為呢個計劃咧，我哋需要係有資金嘅需要嘅。初步嘅成本估計咧，就係估計每年嘅營運成本啊。預計每年嘅營運成本咧係250萬至到300萬美金咁我哋有一啲一次性嘅成本頭先講嘅係每年營運嘅成本啦，但係一次過投資嘅成本咧係大概需要60萬嘅大概需要60萬嘅一次性投資嚟開始呢個計劃。跟住當實施嘅策略方面咧，我哋要考慮到成本啦，有啲有限嘅融資嘅選擇啦。我哋要需求唔同嘅確定性啦，同埋我哋要做到一個最佳嘅作出可以長期承諾嘅試點服務咧。當然要試嘅時候咧， 就個試點目的係衡量實際需求同埋得到公眾嘅支持啦。整體嘅調節服務計劃要符合社區需要啦，同埋評估長期嘅實施性嚇。資金方面咧，我哋會可能要透過以下嘅方式獲到資金嘅。加州政府嘅撥款啦，舊金山資金嘅來源咧就係舊金山市政府基金啦，或者第4區嘅社區啦。當然就係服務嘅乘客嘅車資嘅收入啦。如果我哋要將佢變成一個永久性嘅計劃咧，頭先就係試點試辦嘅資金啦。但係如果要變成長久性嘅計劃咧，咁我哋呢個接駁車嘅服務係需要持續性有啲專用嘅資金，即係長期性嘅投資資金，而唔係話一次過嘅撥款。
So here we zoom in a little on those local sources of funding.
咁我哋而家再睇一睇有少少專用嘅資金嘅來源嘅。
In terms of how the service could be funded.
有可能啦係從舊金山政府即係三藩市政府嘅方面咧，新嘅收入法案啦，可能我哋需要有一啲新嘅收入法案啦，或者將現有嘅交通運輸嘅資金咧轉換過嚟，就係撥一啲過嚟用接駁車嘅項目。呢個就係一個方法。至於第4區嘅社區方面又點樣會有錢咧？譬如靠廣告啦，廣告收益啦贊助商啦，商業嘅改善委員會啦，咁我哋或者仲要開啲新嘅資源啦，開新嘅費用資源啦。咁或者係用第4區內嘅停車管理委員會，即係 parking 嗰啲停車費嚟到作為一啲收入啦。咁當然仲有最後一個方法，或者係一個其中一個方法，就係將本地嘅汽車，即係嗰個公交車嘅收費提高，票價嚟到幫助長期使用呢個專用車嘅資金來源，亦都係可以用其他嘅公交車收費嚟到幫補嘅。
Or similarly, there's the idea that the potential of having an local increase only within District 4 of parking fees.
停車費方面亦都可能會係只係喺第4區嘅停車收費度增加，就會可以補貼呢個項目嘅經費。
And then finally, there's the alternative to actually pay more than the standard muni fare to cover for more of the costs through fare revenues.
而呢個公交車嘅車費亦都可以喺呢個接駁車輛或者係呢個接駁車輛嘅費用裏邊，唔係用基本嘅 muni 3蚊。3蚊嘅車費，而係將呢一個接駁車嘅車費提高嚟到幫助呢一個費用嘅呢個項目嘅營運。當然，我哋仲會考慮其他可行嘅資金來源嘅方法。
So we're here now at our second discussion item. And so again, it's a very open question. We're interested to hear from you. How do you prioritize funding sources for this revenue?
好啦，我哋頭先提議過有各種唔同嘅收入來源嚟到做呢個資金啦。咁我哋都嚟到第2個討論範圍啦。我哋亦都想收聽下你哋嘅意見，對於永久性嘅服務嘅資金來源咧。你哋會 嗱，頭先我哋睇咗有幾種嘅收入來源啦。請問你哋會優先考慮邊一個收入來源嘅選擇呢？各位睇到上邊咧係有呢個由三藩市政府嘅資助啦，喺未來嘅接駁車納入本地籌集資金法案啦，即係法案方面啦。亦都係由本地嘅巴士服務中轉移資金過嚟啦。呢個就係由政府嘅來源。第二個來源就係由第四區嘅社區自己補貼啦。當然由啲本地嘅企業嘅貢獻啦。或者開發其他嘅費用啊。或者增加區內即係第四區區內嘅停車，即係嗰啲泊車費啦。咁最後就係第三種就係將個票價提高啦，提高到一個程度可以繼續營運啦。咁睇到喺 Lily 又喺呢個聊天室嗰裏邊有幾個問題出現咗啦。
Thank you. Your service users are actually part of District 4. So when you talk about increasing fares, that applies to everyone in the community. It might be, well, let me propose with the increased fares, which that seniors pay full force. And at the risk of being very unpopular, school kids pay as well.
呢位 Margaret 咧又有個意見喺度發言啦。
Kind of service. And I certainly would hope that, especially for seniors, it wouldn't be that much of an increase. But it is, a door-to-door is very special. And that is a consideration that is above and beyond anything you would get by going out and walking the blocks to the Muni stops. So I think it would, in my mind, in a fairness, I think the extra that you get by having someone come to your street corner or to your door warrants a little extra pay.
Margaret 就提出一樣嘢，就係話增加車費呢個會係一個好公平嘅做法，因為就算係連長者佢哋如果有人去到個門口度接佢，等佢連行到去十字路口或者街口都唔需要去嘅呢個咁嘅服務咧，當然係一個好好嘅，佢哋願意喺佢嘅意見裏邊咧，佢願意去俾多少少錢，即係俾多增加收費嘅。喺呢個聊天室裏邊咧，我哋發現到黃女士同埋周生咧就會有兩個都有問題，一個就係問停車費問泊車費增加幾多？第二個咧就係問有幾多架呢架接駁車輛會喺第四區度服務？黃女士就問到究竟總共呢一個項目呢個接駁車係需要幾多錢經費咧？咁Sean 就係將前幾次嘅嗰個表咧列出嚟睇啦。咁就講到係一年係需要250萬至到300萬嘅營運成本，而第一次性嘅投入嘅投資就係要大概60萬。
Yeah, I asked the question because I'm looking at the examples of where you could raise money and just trying to think like, would advertising get you the amount needed,
因為
I
黃女
hesitate
士就
to
睇
put
到
any additional
收入嘅來
burden
源
on
裏邊
our
呢，有
business
包括
owners
賣
because a
廣
lot of
告
these
或
are
者係
smaller
喺
businesses, mom and pop kind of
小
stuff,
商業
and
嗰
I
方
wouldn't
面
want
嘅
them to
贊
pay
助
extra
贊助
when they're
商
already on pretty
嘅
thin
籌款，
margins,
咁佢
especially
就有個
after
疑問就
COVID.
係我哋呢度咁
But I'm
大個
also
數目
I'm just not
究
convinced on like
竟可唔
especially
可
East
以
District or anything
喺
else
呢啲
because
咁嘅收入
it
裏
just
邊達到
takes
咗呢個目的呢？
taxes from the local people
啊
to add to this. Yeah, and
Yeah.
I struggle with that concept, but the total amount doesn't seem like a ton, so it feels like it could be done in many ways.
Yeah, that's valid. And I think, again, those are here what we have in front of us in this slide and the next, I mean, the slide is the same, but with the information on the slide
我
is the same. just with the
黃
question.
女士提
I think,
到呢個咁嘅可能性咧，阿 Sean 就
The
回應
thinking
就係
is
話
that, here are, again, a
我
menu
哋
of
唔係
options.
一定係
We-
全
we
部
need
靠
to
晒一
explore
個來
what
源
is
嘅，
available
只不
to
過係
us and
邊個會
then
係一個
how can all
優
of
先
these
嘅
be
來
pieced
源嘅
together.
決
So
定。
right now, part of some of these trade-offs, some of these costs would be kind of on the D4 community, as Margaret was kind of suggesting. There's a benefit, but there might be some, again, trade-offs to receiving that benefit. It could be increasing the fares, or it could be, again, different forms of the community maybe helping see this project move forward. But that being said, like, I think that the concept is still that the lion's share of the funding needs to come from some of these San Francisco government sources or something larger, like you. I think we're on the same page with your thinking that
咁黃女士同埋阿 Sean 兩個都係即係同意一個基本層面，就係話大部分嘅資金因為呢個數目都唔細嘅，所以我哋會好大機會需要依靠三藩市政府方面嗰個資金來源係比較實際，因為喺本區裏邊所籌到嘅未必一定係足夠嘅。
To seniors and people with disabilities? Or is there an option to have shuttles run to business districts that otherwise are challenging to get to via Muni? So yeah, I guess there's no, the concept doesn't have kind of semi routes in any way, shape, or form. It's anywhere within District 4, basically, any origin, any destination, you can book your travel through
有位
with the service app. There are options to actually
問題有位參與者問題，佢問究竟會唔會有多to 多門對門嘅服務？咁阿 John 嘅回答就係有嘅，我哋係可以除咗喺街口度接駁之外咧，可以有門對門嘅服務，尤其是係俾啲長者。
No need to really use the service in that case. Yeah, and so there's a lot of kind of nuances to maybe making sure that this service is a complement to existing transit services rather than competing with what's already
佢亦都話到通呢個服務主要嘅設計出嚟咧，就係俾佢哋由門口或者係佢哋附近去到最近嘅公交站，即係去到最近嘅巴士站，而唔係話係取替或者同現有嘅巴士路線或者係公交路線嚟到競爭嘅。所以佢哋未必係會喺個付費啊同埋服務方面咧會有重疊式。咁我而家見到 Albert Chow 有個問題。
Hey there, Jean-Paul. Yeah, I was just wondering, like, this seems expensive for just D4. 3.5 million. I don't know. You're saying 6 vehicles. What if we were to disseminate that wider to a wider area? Would that make more sense? Just looking at cost per unit this way.
Yeah. That makes all the sense, and I think that
呢位周生咧 Albert Chow 佢話提到就話我睇到呢個營運成本250萬至30萬咁大龐大，只係頭先聽見阿 Sean 講大概有6架車到嚟到服務呢個社區。咁佢話如果係一個咁貴或者係 喺個價錢方面有需要有彈性嘅話，會唔會考慮將呢一個綠架車嘅服務外展到唔係淨係第四區咧，去第二個區度一齊可以攤呢個費用嘅機會嘅可能性？
To kind of play that game a little bit is not as direct. Go
Would
ahead.
this is state or federal subsidizing any of this funding?
Well, yeah, so I guess that's part of what we're suggesting, yes, that there would be potentially some type of grant funding for the pilot. So I guess a one-time kind of grant to see the service
阿
implemented.
Sean 就反映話
But then longer term,
我哋除咗係同社區招手會收集呢個成本之外，或者係呢個費嘅
again, this is not all of this is potential,
營運
like
成本預
none of
計
these
同
services
埋
are secure. Right now, we're just identifying
第一次嘅投資成本之外咧，
more viable
政
approach to
府
seeing the
或者
service
州或者係
implemented.
聯邦政府，亦都係兩個最主要
Where did the
嘅
funding for
考
the
慮到嘅
baby
收入
shuttle
來
project
源
come
嘅，
from?
佢哋
Did
嘅投
riders
資亦
pay
都係
a
好重要
base
嘅。
fare? Did
我
the
哋希
local
望
business
喺
contribute
呢兩
in some
方
way?
面咧，會得到更多嘅補助。
Yeah, so the baby shuttle is currently implemented primarily through a grant from the state government. And so they're in that kind of
咁
grant
例如好
kind
似
of- there's in
Bayview
that
嘅
pilot
shuttle
phase.
嗰個
They
車咧，
ran
接
the
駁車咧，
service for a few
係
months for
只係
free.
靠住呢個州政府嘅撥款嚟到營運嘅。咁呢個亦都係可能性其中一個嚟考慮最主要嘅收入來
I
源。
think that the local community contributed to that funding just yet. And I think precisely some of the questions that I guess will need to be answered for baby as well as future. If this service continues to be a success, then how is it going to be implemented?
亦都
Yeah, and I guess
個
Jovan
州政府亦
just
都
our
會
colleague
睇
from
住
the
Bayview
SFMTA
嘅
and
服
kind of
務
manages
作為一個
the
指
baby
標。
project
如果佢哋
just
成功嘅
introducing
話咧，
some
佢哋亦
chat.
都有好大可能
So,
就
I don't know
借
if you-
鏡嚟到
Jovan,
仲
anything
喺呢個
else you'd like to
District
add
4 第
to
四
my
區嘅服務裏邊嘅。
answer, on your kind of funding sources?
Yeah, hi everybody. Javon Garcia, project manager for the Bayview Shuttle. Not too much to add. Yeah, our current funding source is from the California Air Resources Board. So that is fully funding the Bayview Shuttle as of now. I will add something that the Bayview community is uniquely positioned to apply for the STEP grant available through CARB.
我哋有
because it's
位
identified by the state
SFMTA
level as a
係
disadvantaged
Bayview
community.
Shuttle，
That
即
is a
是係
community,
Bayview 個
that
區
faces
嘅
inequitable
嘅項目經理咧，
or
快
income,
入嚟咧
also
就回答一啲問題，
has
關於
inequitable
佢哋啲
environmental
錢
harms done
嘅
to
經
it,
費來
things
源。
of that nature.
佢
So
話
that
佢
made
哋
it kind
全
of
部
a
嘅經
unique
費都係
community
來自州
to
政府
apply
嘅
for
撥
that
款。
grant. And then just to add something else, I think there were some earlier comments related to kind of our service design and fare structure. So we do our current fares, as Jean-Paul said, were introduced in April. It is comparable pricing to Muni. And our service right now operates with 6 fleet vehicles.
咁我
So
哋
happy to answer
呢
any
個
other questions in the chat.
呢位
But
Garcia
that's
先生
as
咧，
well.
佢就話俾一啲資料我哋知道，而家佢哋營運緊 Bayview 嗰個接駁車嘅話，係借鏡頭先阿 Sean Paul 講，我哋係個收費同埋普通嘅 Muni 係平等，大家接近咁嘅價錢唔會太貴，而且佢哋亦都係營運緊6架車嘅情況。
Like the ongoing annual cost.
More around, I guess if it's 3.5, then around 3 million. If it's 2.5, so I would say like about 500K of sort of like are the roughly estimated of implementation costs.
So 3 million would be the sort of average annual cost.
Well, we have again a little bit of that kind of bandwidth that we're operating, but yeah, I would answer it a different way, that we estimate that the implementation costs are about 500,000, and depending on some of the kind of decisions about service design, the actual operating cost is the one that may vary a little bit. But yeah,
呢位女呢位女士問到佢嗰個營運成本或者個營運需要營運預計每年嘅營運成本大概係點樣分配？Sean 就講到大概都係250萬至300萬左右。
How big is the baby ridership? I think I'll defer maybe to Javon to answer that on the chat. In the meantime, Alice, you still have your hand up. Do you have any questions or that was okay? No longer. Thank you.
Hi.
And then Margaret.
No, I just took it down. I did just lower my hand. I'm sorry. Somebody answered my question.
係啦，而家咧喺個聊天室裏邊有一個問題出現，就係佢問Bayview 嗰邊嘅接駁車究竟嗰個乘客量大概有幾多？同埋嗰個服務嘅年紀範圍係乜嘢？咁佢暫時未睇到呢個問題。
I appreciate Javon clarifying kind of the difference in the ability of the Weibo community versus the D4
Sean 而家係多謝緊Bayview 嗰邊嘅項目經理Joanne 嚟入嚟幫助解答一啲基本嗰邊營運情況嘅問題。
That may include trade-offs for the D4 community if you want to service improvement.
Excuse me, it's Margaret again. I remembered my question. My question is, has anybody looked into the offset potentials on this? Because if we are going to use a shuttle service within the District 4 all the way to Stonestown and whatever, that's going to take some load off of the Muni. And I kind of have a dread in the back of my mind that the next thing that's going to come out is a reduced Muni service for our area, which would not make me happy.
呢位 Margaret 咧，佢有擔憂，如果係增加咗呢一個接駁車嘅服務嘅時候，會唔會影響到普通嘅巴士服務會減少咧？因為佢話有可能會減輕咗普通巴士嗰個壓力。
To have any changes to existing Muni service.
但係Sean 嘅回應就係話，佢哋喺設計或者係發展呢一個接駁車嘅服務嘅裏邊咧，完全冇考慮到要減低現有嘅公車服務 Muni 嘅服務嘅，所以呢個係一個好消息。
That again may suggest that a different strategy is required, but it seems that the sound approach and kind of the best practice that we've seen from other transit properties is to just launch the service as an additive and make kind of decisions about again whether the finances and whether I think that the goal number one is to sustain a level of quality standard.
所以話暫時我哋只係考慮到我哋點樣得到資金繼續營運或者開始試辦嘅情況，冇考慮到要喺第二度將普通嘅公交車嘅服務削減。各位如果係睇到聊天室裏邊咧，呢位項目經理亦都解答咗上咁嘅問題。佢哋話佢而家喺 Bayview 嗰個接駁服務咧係繼續嗰個乘客量係慢慢增長緊嘅。佢話喺過去嗰幾個月咧，大概係3500個每月係大概服務3500個乘客，而且咧係公開俾任何一個年齡層嘅人去搭嘅。但係佢哋只係調查到佢嘅乘客人呢個年齡係12歲以上，因為係12歲以上先可以准許使用呢一個服務，但係佢哋又冇統計到每一個乘客嘅年齡嘅分佈。
Don't hesitate to reach out to us. We will provide our contact information in a second, or just to the TA at large, and we will we're eager to kind of hear from
好
you
啦，
and
我哋嘅後續嘅步驟咧，我哋嚟到外展嘅第二階段啦，就係2025年嘅6月至到7月，即係呢段時間啦。我哋會向交通運輸局嘅董事會提交我哋所收到嘅意見，同埋我會組成一個提交一個最終嘅報告。喺2025年嘅秋季嗰陣時候就會。咁我哋而家咧就亦都係到問題嘅答嘅環節啦。咁啊 Sean 咧係作為一個喺三藩市交通部技術政策部首席交通規劃師嘅身份咧，就好多謝各位參加，亦都係希望你哋如果有意見或者問題，亦都可以用喺上面見到嘅我哋嘅email address 同埋上邊嗰個website 嘅連結 sfcta.org/d4shuttle。
Any final questions?
咁再問一次，各位仲有冇問題需要提出嚟嘅，隨時解答。
Okay. With that being said, thank you all for your time. Really appreciated everyone's participation.
好，最後再次多謝各位參加今次嘅會議嘅討論。
Your feedback today. I thought it was a very insightful conversation.
我哋收到好多好寶貴嘅意見，多謝各位。
Have a good one. Good evening, everyone.
好嘅，各位晚安。